mojo daddy wants both feet on the ground.
Hello guys and gals, it's me, Mojo Daddy Mystic, and I'm back with Lady Max here.
Hello.
And we're gonna do some more Jefferson Airplane, but we're gonna focus on a live version. That's right, we're gonna watch them live and in living color. So this was off of their performance from the Dick Cavett show. A little background. So are you familiar with the Woodstock Festival?
Somewhat,
In
yes.
1969?
69.
So this happened the day after Woodstock.
Oh wow, okay.
Yeah, so this you're getting true hippiedom right here.
Yeah.
Right after, so basically right after they went on stage, so they had to come do this show, and that's Joni Mitchell right here. She missed out. She was booked on this show, the Dick Cavett show, so she ended up missing the Woodstock performance to be on this show. I mean, can you imagine that? Like the performance of a lifetime. You had to stuck at the Dick Cavett show. But hey, but we're gonna check this performance out of "Somebody to Love." This is probably their most famous song. You've had to heard it somewhere, some way. Once we start getting into the groove, you'll probably recognize it. So let's get our headphones on.
Okay.
And let's vibe out to Jefferson Airplane live. "Somebody to Love." Grace Slick is the female vocalist. Her name is Grace Slick. Jorma Kaukonen is on lead guitar. Spencer Dryden is on drums. Paul Kantner right there is on rhythm guitar. And that's Marty Ballin, who sung "Coming Back to Me." He's on vocals.
Great voice.
Great vocals. And I think David Crosby comes in too. So let's get started. Ready? 3, 2, 1, let's vibe.
Here's Jefferson Airplane. Last time.
slice of time, a little throwback time machine there. A glimpse of 1969. What did you think of that?
I liked it. I liked the way the band vibed together. That was really
A
cool.
lot, yeah. They were a great band.
Yeah.
Spencer Dryden on drums, that great percussionist. Gomer Kalkinen, great guitarist. Grace Slick with her vocals. She was the girl, the leading lady there. Just one of a kind. And Somebody to Love. What did you think of the song?
I like the song.
Yeah.
Yes. I mean, yeah. Don't we all want somebody to love?
I think so.
I think so.
But yeah, and
yes.
yes, I think we all need some. But that was great. You enjoyed it?
It was a really good song.
All right, guys.
Great energy, for real.
We're out of here. Peace, love, and happiness. Until next time, stay groovy.